This is the daily chart on Sidus Space. And on Tuesday, the stock was down alongside a public offering. Company is selling roughly 1.2 million shares for $4.50 each. It expects gross proceeds of roughly 5.6 million from the offering. However, on the news, the stock sold off. Again, the stock was selling at roughly $9, but they were going to have an offering at $4.50. So that's not good for bag holders, right? Now, if we scroll up to the monthly chart, we can see all these rejection wicks pretty much starting in May of last year. This appears to be some type of level of interest on a smaller chart. And as you can see, we had the price spike, couldn't quite get to that level, and now we have the continued sell-off. Before we continue with the analysis, let's look at this article as we talk more about the public offering. So the stock is falling hard on Tuesday after the Space as a service company revealed details about a public offering to investors. It will offer 1.2 million shares to the public at $4.50, like I stated. That has the company expecting to generate 5.6 million in gross proceeds from the offering. Sidus Space also notes that it already has plans for the money generated by this public offering. The company intends to use it for working capital and general corporate purposes. Now, why did the stock fall off? Well, a public offering increases the total number of shares available on the market, meaning it dilutes shareholder value. To go along with that, the public offering's price of $4.50 per share is a significant discount over its prior close of roughly $8.75. The price difference here explains why shares of the stock are falling to closer match the public offering price. So it's not really good for the bag holders. All right, so kind of looking at that zone I was saying on the monthly chart. This is the weekly chart. You had a drop in price, a couple of basing candles, and a drop out. So drop in, leg out, and when price came back, it filled the remaining unfilled sell orders, and price collapsed. You could say that you had a little level here as well. This would be a rally, basic candle, and then a drop. Origin of the move lower takes out the pivot low. So again, when price comes back, comes into that level and then drops again. Potentially this is another level that's forming. But in order for this level to be valid, we need to see price take out the all-time lows down at $3 before considering this as a valid setup. Going to the daily chart, we can see this drop, gap down. This is the level we kind of looked at. This was the formation of a rally, base, and then drop. Rightfully so. Price came up, hit that 200-day moving average, and then dropped. Again, this is potentially another area of interest, but we need to see the stock take out the pivot low, which is also all-time lows. So the chart is saying stay away. Stay away. There's no inkling that price is going to reverse anytime soon. If you're thinking of buying the stock, wait. If you're in the stock now, I apologize. But Sidus Space is not a stock you want to be in. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.